Hi ladies, it's Lee at Woman in Disguise, and today I want to talk to you about cooking in your ready-to-wear hair. First of all, we know that heat is a big no-no on our synthetic wigs. So we always talk about, hey, you don't want to put a curling iron in them, no flat irons, no blow dryers. Those things are all big no. So what about cooking? And especially with the holiday season coming up and all the cooking activity we'll be doing, what can we and what shouldn't we do in our synthetic wig? So here are some rules of thumb that I go by and I think will help you make really great decisions about how to cook in your wig. So first of all, let's talk about the oven. Oven obviously can get very warm and very hot. So if you are going to be using your oven and you want to wear your hair, what I recommend is every time you open that oven, you open it, let that heat dissipate, because we all know we've opened it and gone in too quickly and almost wonder, I know that'll have, like, oh my gosh, do I still have my eyelashes? And so that heat's not good for our skin or eyelashes, eyebrows, or anything, and it's not gonna be good for our synthetic wigs. So when you open that oven door, let that rush of heat dissipate. And then I always recommend, instead of keeping your item in the oven and checking the temperature or whatever you're doing, pull it out, put it on the stove top, and again, not have your head in the oven, and you should be just fine. So let's talk about the stove top. Stove top in general is fine. It's just not putting off enough heat directly, and you're not close enough to it where you really run the risk of having any damage happen to your ready-to-wear hair. And so the one thing that I will say is, if you're doing something on the stove top where you're actually using an open flame, and I don't know, we made banana Fosters one time, and the whole idea is to set on fire and have this open flame come up. That's when you definitely, well, you would just want to make sure you're taking the right safety precautions anyways, but I would recommend that you not wear your wig if you're actually working with an open flame, just because, again, you don't want that heat to get too close and damage the hair. Last thing I'll talk about is the grill, because I love to grill. And the grill, again, can be a lot of intense heat, and unlike the oven, it just doesn't seem to dissipate as much because it's really cranking all the time to keep that heat coming out. So I choose not to do any type of grilling in my wigs. It'll be something where I will get that work done, go in and clean up afterwards, and then put on my hair and be ready to enjoy the meal with my family and friends. So those are some tips that you can use. So as this holiday season comes up and you start to think about those cookies and the meals and all that fun stuff, you can kind of use those rules of thumb and know when you can cook with your wig. I hope that's helpful. Please share your comments, your experiences, any great recipes, and please subscribe to our channel, YouTube channel. I would love to hear your comments. And here's happiest regards to you.